riders entering the amateur competition. Great turnout, great turnout. Big thanks to all riders for obviously making the effort to, it is quite a way for a lot of riders, so a big thanks to all of you. Also to all the spectators as well. Right, we're going to start in reverse order. This competition is actually sponsored by Job Water Sports. In 12th place we have Keith. We want to go for Keith. Where is he hiding? There he is. In 11th we have Kev. In 10th we have Darren. In 9th we have Richard. In 8th we have Ada. In 7th we have Paul Hewitt. In 6th we have Stan. Good ride there from Stan. In 5th we have Emily Tucker. Hold on, Emily. In 4th we have Josh Furman. Down to the last 3 riders. And in 3rd place we have Craig.
Profile picture again, Craig. Facebook maybe.
Careful, Emily's watching. Right, okay, down to the last 2 riders, and I can't believe this. Literally, first and second, 218.5 and 218.5 difference. And in 2nd place we have Dan Rowan. Okay, that leaves our final rider, local rider of the lake, sponsored by Job, is Jonathan Kavanagh.
Question is he a squirter or?
Yeah, is he a what? Squirter?
Oh,
no, popper. Squirter? Are you a squirter? You can understand why I don't grab the mic, can't you? Are you a popper or a saver? What do you reckon he is? A popper or a saver? Popper or a saver. Ready? Gets a cheer or a jeer. Ready? Popper or saver? What are you doing? The what?
Saver.
Is a saver. What do we say to savers? That's That's why he didn't make it in F1, because you got to pop it.
Jonathan, that actually cost £4.
Yeah. Put your hands together. Put your hands together again for all three riders on the podium, but also everybody else that entered. And a big thanks to Craig at Avos Sport for us letters using this water.
Changed his name, it's actually Chris.
Chris, sorry, Craig. Where have we got Craig from? I tell you what, them Kronas are not good for me. No, we should just stick to Jack Daniels and be fine. Big thanks there. So, Chris is just on his way now to get changed for the Masters class.
Retro wetsuit now.
This is where he